Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an area chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an area chart on your Microsoft Excel web. So to insert the area chart, first of all you just need to click on the insert option, and you can see the area chart actually here. You have a three different options, and then first you just want to select the data that you just need to create as area chart. So I just going to select this and click on the area option. Here you will see three different type area, stock area and 100% stock area. Just click this and you can see the difference. You can just change the theme by clicking on this. You can see it's changed actually. So if you just need like this chart, you can just change this actually. And also if you want to have to customize the axis or grid lines and format option, click on the format option or double tap on the chart. You can just resize the chart by creating this, and in the side you can find a lot of options to change the chart axis, like vertical axis to display the axis or not. You can just choose from here, and chart title if you want or not, you can just enable it or disable it by using this particular option. And if you want to change a full color, you just click on the fill color first, then you can just change the color to whatever the color you just needed. For an example, just going to mild green, and you can just change here, and also the outline can be changed from here. And if you just need a data label, you can just enable this so you can see the data label has been enabled. This is how you just create a area chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.